Hi guys, today let us learn about types of farming. So what are you waiting about? Let's zoom in. Agriculture is a primary activity which includes growing crops, fruits, vegetables, flowers and rearing of livestock. It is an age-old economic activity in our country. At present, different farming systems are practiced across the country, depending upon the geographical conditions, demand of produce, labor, and level of technology. Farming can be classified into two types: subsistence farming and commercial farming. Subsistence type of farming is practiced to meet the needs of the farmer's family. It can be further classified as primitive subsistence farming and intensive subsistence farming. Subsistence farming. Primitive subsistence agriculture is practiced on small patches of land with the help of primitive tools like hoe, dove, and digging sticks, and family or community labor. This type of farming depends upon the natural fertility of soil, monsoon, and other environmental conditions to grow crops. It includes shifting cultivation and nomadic herding. Shifting cultivation or slash and burn agriculture. In this, farmers clear a patch of land and produce crops to sustain their family. When soil fertility decreases, the farmers shift and start cultivating in the same way on a fresh patch of land. This allows nature to replenish the fertility of the soil, and productivity in this type of farming is low as fertilizers or modern inputs are not being used. Intensive subsistence farming. In this type of farming, it is practiced in the areas of high population pressure on land. It is done where high doses of biochemical inputs and irrigation are used for obtaining higher production. Commercial farming. The main characteristic of this type of farming is to use higher doses of modern inputs. For example, higher yielding variety seeds like HYB, chemical fertilizers, insecticides, and pesticides in order to obtain productivity. The degree of commercialization varies from region to region. For example, rice is commercial crop on Punjab and Haryana, but in Orissa it is subsistence crop.